Welcome to a new video. In this video, you will find out how you can trigger daily summaries from Google Calendar to email. If you want to get your summaries daily from your calendar onto your mail, this is what you'll need to do. First of all, go onto your Google browser and search for Google Calendar. You can also do this on the Google Calendar app on your phone. Once you're on the Google Calendar website, click on the settings option from the top and click on settings. Once you're on the settings, you'll see a lot of the options. On the left side, what you'll need to do is go over to the settings for my calendars option and click on your name. Here, a new tab of options will be opened. What you'll need to do is click on other notifications from all those options. Here, under the other notifications tab, you'll see all of the events like changed events, cancelled events, event responses, and daily agendas notifications. You'll see that next to it, the toggle option will be on none. What you'll need to do is change the none of the daily agenda into the email option. Now you'll get the daily agenda notifications on your mail. If you want to, you can also toggle all the other options as well, like changed events, cancelled events, and event responses. So if any of that happens in your calendar, you'll be notified onto your Gmail account. And that is how you can trigger the daily summary notifications of your Google Calendar onto your mail. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you find this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more.